Oh, hello. Today I want to introduce a non-profit organization for you. As you see the picture, the Engineer Without Borders is a non-profit organization. The organization's goal is to work with communities in the toughest place in the world to meet basic human needs and make the world a better place. The Engineer Without Borders was officially announced in 2002. More than 16,800 people have joined the group since its founding, and they are eager to do their part to help those in need around the world. And it is this organization that brings these people together with ideas. The organization believes the community is the most effective medium for lasting and positive change. The organization insists on that engineering solutions will create opportunities for communities. The leadership is driven by multi-disciplinary cross-cultural and personal interaction. Sustainability is not just a goal, it's actually a practice. EWB LBC Engineers Without Borders focus on the issue that many communities abroad lack, what the organization terms basic human needs. So EWB considers several ideas that fall under the umbrella of basic human needs. Their cause and the effects they may inflict on a community. For example, regulation. In some countries, lack of environment protection regulation allow manufacturing plants to pollute water source by discharging manufacturing byproducts into streams and rivers before treating them for removal of harmful chemicals. Another example is energy. Electrical power serves a few important purposes in developing a community. Light provides increased levels of safety to residents and is readily available when fire is not. Using electrical lights indoors instead of fire decreases the risk of burning down shutters. The ability to communicate electronically with correspondents, whether they be personal contracts, governmental entities, trade and business contracts, or at organizations, improves the community's quality of life. Power also provides access to distant medical care which may not have been previously available. Solution. Engineers Without Borders operate in over 46 countries spanning across 5 continents, with most projects located in Central Africa, which over 16,800 members. EWB continues to expand through local chapters located in universities throughout the United States. As the problem each group of volunteers may be different, the solution to every problem varies. Some groups will encounter villages with no water supply, while another may have to repair a damaged bridge needed for trade. EWB has divided volunteers into 3 major separate groups to compensate for this, which are International Community Program, Engineering Service Corps, and the Community Engineering Corps.